Hey guys, I'm so excited because I am going to be opening the junk trunk kit of May from Miss Jessica Huffman from I'm a Cool Mom here on YouTube and on Etsy. And I'm super excited because this month we collaborated for a kit, and it's featuring my Rose Notecards journal. And she was really cool enough to collab with me on this kit here. And she was super nice enough to send me a copy of it. So, oh my god, it's so hard to open this. She really packaged it well, you guys. So, this is her May kit, and it comes out on the May 19th. And you guys can check it out on her Etsy. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can get it for yourself. And look how cool this is. She like packages it up all nice. It has a little info card. Oh, and she has all the shops that are featured inside this junk kit. That's awesome. So there you go. My page is right there front and center. How fancy. I feel special. And let's see, how do I open this? This is too nice packaged. Okay, here it is. And a nice plastic sleeve. How fancy. Oh, I can't wait to make a journal out of this. So cool. Oh, she wrote me a little note. So cool. Nice to work with you, Jessica. I love it. And it includes little charms. Oh, how fun. How fun, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here's a copy of my journal. Wow, she got it printed out very nicely. Very nice prints. I love it. You could also get this, of course, from my shop for $2.50 if you wanted to download and make a spring junk trunk kit inspired junk journal. And oh my goodness, how cute is this? Got a little bat. You guys have to order this. It's too cute. Everything in this is everything that you need to make a journal. Lace, how cute. Pieces of fabric. Love it. Really does go with my journal kit. Let me show it off here. So you can see the pages and how everything really nicely goes and matches with it. So all these colors really, oh my gosh, she's right. Everything did real. How cute. These little envelopes. Oh my goodness, you guys. So cute. I'm so lucky I got a preview. Oh, I love these doilies. Super cute. Oh, and you get tags. Everything's so cute. Guest check, and it's pink. Oh, I love it. I freaking love this kit so far. You get a little piece of fabric here. The lace. Oh, wow. You can get like a vintage stamp. That's super cute. And then these napkins. Whew, napkins is the word. Oh, I love it. Oh, wow. It's got 4 images on there. That's so cool. Oh, and that totally goes with my journal, you guys. It's so cute. This is such a good collab between us. Really, really worked out well. You get some cute, and you also use this in your junk journal. How, oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Oh, what is in here? Let's see. She's got one of her cards. Super cute. And then you can, of course, use this. Secret links for junk journal. Oops, I wasn't supposed to show that. The secret part is on the back. So I'm good. Apparently, this has secret links. So I showed you the front of the back. That's still a secret. Okay. So you get this little cute envelope. Oh, with this little tape on it. Cute. What is in here? You guys, this is like a freaking, like a present to yourself. I love it. Oh, I'm so into plants right now. Oh, that is so cute. Oh my god. Look at that. That is so cute. I love this little kit. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, there's another little bag. What? From Above Par Crafts. Very cool. Let me see what is in here. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Little cutouts. Little trinkets. Oh wow, it's an actual like lace doily. Very cute. Wow. And it has her card there. Oh, I love this. Oh, I love it. That's so cute. Very cute. Oh, super adorable, you guys. You guys got to get this junk journal kit. And this must be for the cover, because I think I've seen her video. This could be for a cover. Oh, I love it. Jessica, again, thank you for collabing with me. And you guys, thank you guys for watching my video. I'm definitely going to put together a journal kit from all this stuff. This is a great kit. It releases on May 19th. So if you guys do have the chance to get it for yourselves, there's so much cool stuff in here, you guys. This could be one really cool junk journal. Super excited. Thank you again, Jessica, and check out her Etsy. And you guys, subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'm going to be posting them again. I'm going to keep trying to make it a weekly thing with whatever it is I'm doing, whether it's my little garden or if I'm sewing. My next video is going to be a project share with some embellishments that I sewed, so keep an eye out for that. And thank you guys for joining me today. Peace out.
Do you like the box, Boo Boo? You like being in the box? You're such a silly little boy, Boo Boo. Why, you're such a silly little boy. You didn't do nothing? You didn't do nothing at all, Boo Boo?